The annual cost of maintenance of the world's vital transport infrastructure is over $500 billion. The infrastructure owners use inspection vehicles to check the condition of the infrastructure, and they use this data to schedule their maintenance. By knowing the exact location of the inspection vehicles, the change in the infrastructure can be determined, and change is the most important factor for optimizing maintenance. Our positioning solution is over 100 times more accurate than our competition. We use a camera mounted onto each of our vehicles to build a simple visual map of the ground and to keep this up to date, and then to use the same camera to work out the location of the vehicle relative to this map. We've mapped the UK and German rail networks and are providing centimetre accurate position data to Network Rail and Deutsche Bahn's inspection vehicles. These companies spend €4 billion annually on track maintenance, and the predictive maintenance enabled by our solution could save them €400 million per year. We're now looking to raise a £3 million seed investment to build on our early success and to become the world leading provider of predictive maintenance for transport infrastructure.